वेलकम बैक टू आवर प्रोग्राम। हम लोग इस प्रोग्राम में देख रहे हैं एक नई सुबह,
और नई सुबह हो रही है, तब्दीलियां आ रही हैं, देश बदल रहा है जी।
और हमेशा जब भी कोई बात होती है वो मिट्टी से जुड़ी होती है, और जो एक नई सुबह में नई शुरुआत हुई है वो है सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड की। तो क्यों ना इसके बारे में बात करें और अपने पैनल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए। संजीव
जी बिल्कुल।
हमारे साथ हैं पीएमओ में मंत्री डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह, हेल्थ सेक्टर में एक जाना माना चेहरा मालविंदर सिंह जी,
हमारे साथ हैं केंद्रीय मंत्री डॉक्टर महेश शर्मा और विनायक जी। आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत।
मालविंदर जी, आपसे सवाल करते हैं, जो हेल्थ सेक्टर है उस पर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में जो बढ़ोतरी हो रही है, जो बेटरमेंट हो रही है, उसका क्या असर पड़ रहा है?
To be able to optimize the growth of the country,
Right.
you have to have a healthy India.
True.
And therefore, we have to make sure that our entire population is healthy. And for us in India, accessibility, affordability and reliability become very, very important. So the government has done many, many things in some of these core aspects to be able to move healthcare. So for example, there is a whole focus of really having the private sector and the public sector work in collaboration in a PPP model.
Right.
So we are able to work in partnership and be able to work with the government in district hospitals to be able to bring more investment and have good and better high quality healthcare closer to the people. There is also a focus on digital India which the government has been working on, and through this we'll be able to use the telemedicine which the government is focusing very extensively on, to be able to use the capability, the skill sets of doctors in various parts of the country and take them closer to the patients. So people don't then need to travel for hours and hours and 50, 100, 200 kilometers to come to healthcare facilities. The focus of the government on Skill India is again a very important area for the healthcare sector, where the government is focusing and really looking at changing the whole medical education policy, whereby they are going to encourage more amount of medical institutions, more medical seats, more doctors, which will be able to treat the people, but also be able to create a lot more jobs for the country. And then the whole focus on ability of an individual to pay is coming from the focus of the government and every state government and at a national level in terms of doing a cashless health insurance scheme, which the government has focused, which really puts the ability in an individual's hand to go and get healthcare, whether in the public sector or the private sector. And thereby people are able to get that treatment for many of them who are not able to afford healthcare. And I think if you look at what the government has done, it's a real boost to the healthcare of the country, on the infrastructure side, on the talent side and the affordability side. And I think the last thing what I would say to you is the Prime Minister's focus on Swachh Bharat,
Right.
cleanliness, healthcare, sanitation. This is where a lot of the basic, the simple diseases, waterborne diseases, many of those things will now stop happening because of a more focus on cleanliness. And we, as a company at Fortis, have also across our facilities joined this campaign, this movement, and on a continuous basis every month, all of us keep our premises and our hospital and our surroundings absolutely clean.